Welcome to this Rodrozen Design and Build series with our partners at DME Premium Fixture Solutions. Today, we're at the stunning Condo showroom in Vancouver, looking at what we can do to design for small bathrooms. Clay, talk us through some of these products that we can incorporate into small bathroom spaces in Vancouver.
Sure thing, Andy. Thanks again for having us. When designing for a small bathroom space, there are many new products to help maximize space while maintaining function. A Geberit in-wall system allows you to install the bowl up off the floor and can help create a visual effect of a much larger space. You can also save up to 2 square feet by installing a bowl up off the floor. And having the bowl off the floor makes for cleaning the bathroom much easier and way more hygienic. There's many different choices for wall-hung bowls. Lawfin offers great designs for your bathroom as well.
When it comes to vanities, what options exist that are compact but still provide all the storage space that I need?
Lawfin wall-hung vanities and hand rinse basins also provide a very similar visual effect that creates the impression of a larger space. These vanities can provide perfect function with much needed storage for a small space. Sidler cabinets provide storage inside a wall space, which is usually underutilized. They can also be used as a primary light source, and having the electrical outlets installed inside the cabinet allows you to remove the plugs from your bathroom. The side light cabinet has an uplift door, which helps when designing for a small space. Sidler tall cabinets come in 4 inches and 6-inch depths, which can be installed either recessed, semi-recessed, or surface mount. We are seeing this cabinet not only used in bathrooms, but in walk-in closets and hallways. Everyone needs a full-length mirror, Andy, and this one has the added bonus of storage.
Bathtubs often take up the most amount of space. What bathtub products out there that I can use that will help reduce the amount of space?
Bain Ultra freestanding tubs use monocoque technology that allows for thin walls, which produce a large bathing well in a smaller footprint. Freestanding tubs also create the illusion of a reduced space without compromising on features. All Bain Ultra tubs are manufactured in Quebec and have the option of a thermomasseur air system, which provides an all-encompassing massage. This is the closest to a hands-on massage a bather will get at home.
Thanks, Clay. These great products really help homeowners create an expansive space in their small bathrooms. You can see some examples of small bathroom renovations where we have used these products on our website or in the links below.